Oops! I forgot my mic. Oopsie! Okay, hang on. Whoops! No, 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 no. Cancel, cancel, cancel. You're not supposed to see that. You're not supposed to see that. Whoopsie! Okay, good. Open. And then I go to here, and then I go to Just Chips and Beats, and then I go to there, there, and there. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. I want to get some coffee. Be right back. Let me put you some music. But we'll start the show in a moment. Ah, that song! I want that in Just Chips and Beats. I want it right now. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, guys, how about I do a little presentation? I don't know if I got hosted. Did I? I don't know. Wow. La 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 la. Wow, that was weird. Okay, yes. I just want to edit that very quick. Some GSB animations. Da da da. Done. I think I'm gonna wait for that host actually. Hey Nasco Nikolov, how you doing, man? Oh, I have Skype open. Let me close that. I'll go over Kojak as well. I'll just say like, hey bro, up and running. Well. Okay, I'm gonna stop this music and let's just see where are we with that animation. You have used the dashboard. I didn't want to stream it, Mr. Reg, actually. It's done! Hey, Kojak, thank you very much for the host, my friend. Oh my god, 180 viewers. Okay, guys, how about we do the intro properly? I haven't popped the intro. Let's do it right now. Yeah! Welcome to a new episode of Watch and Friends, who's ready for some game development! That's how you start a show, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show, guys. What are we going to do today? What are we going to do today? What are we going to do today? Today, some animation for Just Ships and Beats, actually, because Emily tell me a lot of time, as Emily would tell you, we need to finish that game as ASAP. ASAP AF. Hang on, and now I'm just gonna talk with Kojak again. Damn it! Mr. Rex! 21 months is still fighting! Sorry man, I just got punched in the face, like, right now. Holy shit. Like, as I was calling you, I got punched in the face. Okay, let me share the screen so you can see what's up on my screen. What's up on my end? Alright. It's a live punch! Wow, Kojak. Thank you very much, Kojak. 20 months already, man.
I know, right?
Time goes fast. Time goes fast. Okay, so what were we talking about? We were talking about Dark Souls, although I think that we finished the subject. I think we covered all the basics. Somebody mentioned in the chat that we should play Dark Souls 1 and then the other, otherwise you won't try to finish the first one. Like if you start with like you should start with Dark Souls 1 and then you go up, because if you start with the third one, you will never go back to the first one because it's so hard, you know.
This may be.
It doesn't feel like the same. So I'm like, why not? Now that's a good point. That's a good point. All right. So Zombidle. I don't know if I can stream that, but I'll do. Fuck it.
Lurklin, 2 weeks for the event. It's basically 2 weeks, not from today, but 2 weeks from Friday. So this week and then next week on Friday, we're going to try to push a new build, and then that will end Valentine's Day.
Yep, so in 10 days from now, ish.
Yes.
Yep. Alright, can you see my screen, by the way?
I can. Yes, I can.
So, just a couple of things. I'm just going to go through the, Arcane Remember slots. I forgot about that.
I love it.
I'm just going to go with the cross-platform thing really quick.
Yeah, sure.
For those who are listening right now, guys, I'm just looking at some changes I made for Zombidle, so I can explain it with Kojak, and I figured, we're gonna do it live anyway. So the starting text put in component, it was always taking like a flash text field. It was always taking the same one, the selfie quote. So I just changed it for Berserk user and Berserk pass. So what I did is, if you go over there and then you open the title and preloader, I believe. Okay, this one, if you go over there in the library, just behind me.
Yeah.
Those are the ones. So the Berserk signing is there. Boot. So if you put like Berserk user, basically what it does is it puts Berserk user and Berserk pass over there. And the reason I did that is the password didn't show properly. Like when you type it on mobile, it wasn't showing the native way to show password. Because on the web, it's an asterisk, and the asterisk was not embedded into the font, and I didn't want to go through that route. So I was just like, okay, fuck it. I'm gonna make a actual text field like this and make it behavior as password. And use the device fonts instead of trying to embed the fonts and everything. So basically, instead of doing that by code, I just like, okay, fuck it, I want to make an animation and presets everything and say put that and put it on the screen.
Just bid it by hand, basically.
Yeah. So that, I'm gonna open my code. So that's for the starting thing. Otherwise here, I believe, has just made a couple of changes. Well, yeah, I just changed it for the Berserk login. Before it was something that you coded that I started from to make the selfie quote, and now I built something bigger, and now I just put the selfie quote back into this one.
Gotcha.
So I cleared the stuff there. Title screen, this one is the one I wanted to talk about. UI title screen. I'm not sure about it, but it was a bit fishy. I think it's right over there. So over here, it was like this. You saved. Well, it was like this, taking this there and that there. So it was taking the pending data and just clearing it, and that's it. But what I did is I set it as an instance anyway, because otherwise the instance of the game was still what we had before the transfer, you know? So if I start my game, it's like this, I go to the cross-platform thing, I click the button, that save file would have gone into the pending data, and then I don't remember what the meta instance would be, but at this point it's basically cleared. I mean, it's assumed that it's not used, so some stuff can happen with it. And we put the pending data on the server, we save it, but we didn't change this thing over there, the instance. So when we re-prepare the game, when we prepare it, we just load whatever was in there instead of putting it there.
I think I get what you're talking about.
Okay. So it was like fishy because it was not being done.
I'm trying to remember. I think there was a reason why I did that.
Okay.
But I don't 100% remember the reason.
Okay. Because yeah, like over there you can see like, okay, we replaced the instance with the server games in there. So that's what we do here, and here it's only when the local is empty. But now we get to a weird situation where, yes, the online is empty, but we want to clear it with the pending data. So anyway, I just made that. I tested up. The thing is, I already have an account. I will have to create another account and see if the transfer goes correctly.
Yeah.
Actually, I will need to do that. But yeah, that's why I'm just telling you, because if you do remember you made that for a reason, just keep a look at it.
Okay, will do. It shouldn't... Yeah, setting the instance for the metagame progress shouldn't break anything. And in fact, you might be right. That might totally be why we had the empty save file bug.
Yeah, maybe.
Because, if the instance was getting cleared and then it wasn't uploading the right one from like the metagame, like server progress. I don't know.
My point is like it's safe. It totally put the pending data save on the server, but then we just load something that it's empty or cleared or broken or whatever.
Yeah.
We just load whatever is there. So if I just wait about a minute, this game will try to override it over there, and it's just override the pending data. You know, so
I see your point.
That's my guess. That's what I think might have happened. I haven't seen something that cleared the instance over there that just cleared the entire game. I haven't seen that, but since when we're back into the UI title, we kind of assume that we don't use that. We're waiting for it to be set. Actually, it was dangerous. So
yeah, totally agreed.
So
you were setting the instance of the metagame to what you got from the cross-platform progress, right?
I'm thinking the pending data. So
okay. Yeah.
Basically, before it was like this. You know, you can see it over here. Yeah, it was just taking this shit over here, boop, and taking that there. That's it.
Gotcha.
So I just put it into a variable, put it there, and then put it there.
Yep. I think the reason why...
Sorry. Hell split! Let's join the battle! Thank you very much for the punch in the face, my friend. Hell Bliss, welcome aboard, man. Thanks for the punch, even though it almost broke my neck. Alright, back to you, Kojak. What's up?
No, I was just saying, I think the reason why I did that, or what I'm trying to think of, is when I put this game, when I copy the game into like the pending data, I actually manipulate it a little bit. I change it so that like account name to auto load references the original account.
Okay.
But if you're just grabbing the data from there and then uploading it and setting it to the current metagames instance, it should be okay, because I should have already done all that.
Sorry, Chavoin is saying Salut mon assis de calice! Salut Chavoin! Oui, je l'ai vu ton autre commentaire, mais j'avais pas eu le temps de le dire. Désolé! Back to you, Kojak.
What are you talking about me?
Yep, always. Okay, so anyway, just take a look at this. Keep track of it in case of. View option advance. That's where I just made a little something called is dev account. I put my account over there, and I just made a couple of check. Is allowed to cross-platform. I just said, well, if it's a dev account, you can. The registration here, the event will be binding to the button, and the button will be visible if it's on the dev account. So I just did a bunch of things like this. Nothing big. That's it. Is that it?
I think that might have been it, other than the arcane stuff.
Yep. I think it was something else, though. There was definitely something I changed. Check to replace PayPal, this one. Meta cross-platform something. Where it is? Meta cross-platform thingy. Yeah, when you replace PayPal, you replaced it with the Berserk account, but if it's on Congregate or Armor Game, or if it's mobile, okay, we don't need to change those, so that would have been a bug, but yeah, just change it.
Very nice catch.
Yeah, so if it was on Newground, yes, otherwise, nope. Yeah, that's basically it. I
hope. Well, the game should still work because it's just an interface. But I was just trying to say, I hope that microtransactions still work when you do Berserk Pals through through the bird, the PayPal and everything. Because it's going to use the Google system. It should still work.
It should still work. Well, if it's working on Zombidle, why wouldn't it work on Zombidle.com? Why would not work on Newground?
Because with Google and iOS, it's one class. It's one class that handles logins, and it's one class that handles everything else. With the other ones, we have the Berserk API and then the PayPal API, and they're two separate APIs. And one just references the other.
Okay.
What should work is you leave the Google API alone and then just insert that into the Berserk API so that it can reference that. If that makes sense.
Let me see, actually. If I go with menu store, diamonds, where are the diamonds buttons? I need the diamonds one, diamond pack group, add pack, view diamond pack, on click, try to buy, what is that? Okay, on purchase callback. Okay, so we do set the callback over there. Okay, so that's good. Because there was some game I made in the past that the callback was done like at the beginning of the game, so if we switch the premium API, it would have broken. But that's not the case here. Whenever we buy something, we reset the callback, so that's good. Alright.
Let me double check something real quick.
But yeah, otherwise that's pretty much it. I can show you Meta Arcane. I'm gonna go into the Meta Arcane recipe. No, Meta Arcane progress. Well, I changed. I just made something called max slots, and then I just whenever you add, you have to. Okay, yeah, I made a really bad fix. I'm not proud of it, but I was lazy. It was a weekend. But I'm gonna show you. So there's something called remove recipe. So remove recipe, that's easy. I just check it out, and instead of just removing it from the array, I just replace it by a null. So that's how it sets it. When you do decode and encode, I do it like this, so max slots, and here it's gonna remember, it's gonna pass a null if it's not set, so it's gonna push a null, so that's all good. Here, same thing, it's gonna know how to encode it, or it's gonna encode a null, because here I just made if it's null, just pass something empty. So that's all good. Now it's when you add them. When you start and add a recipe over here, usually you would just add it up into the array, but now I made something called the selected slot index here, and I just made it public. And what I did is when I select the arcane slots here, I just sets it to slot index. So whenever you press the button shard, chest, or forge, it's gonna set that selected slot index here. So if you add something in there, it's gonna be there. You see it?
Yeah. You know what? That's actually not that terrible.
Okay. Well, it's like I don't like it. I'm not proud of it, but it works. So yeah. And yeah, and even like I'm trying like a get project with an index. I'm trying the project. If it's null, it's gonna do it. But if it's not null, it's gonna try it like for some weird reason. Well, it shouldn't. But if there's a problem, there's a bug, it's gonna try to add it in the first empty slot anyway. So it's gonna try to check the first empty slot, not null. So it's gonna run over like this, blah blah blah, and then it's gonna put it there. If it's not. So yeah, it cannot break, basically. It's gonna add it, and if it's all full because reasons, it's just gonna ignore it, but otherwise it's just gonna take the first empty slots.
Sounds good.
If you guys are going to add sorry, hang on. If you guys are going to add the hell upgrade for Succubus, may I suggest a Succubus Spa? Well, that is so much like accurate, because
that's exactly what it is.
It is exactly what we have already. So good point to enter.
Yeah, I enjoy that. That's like right on the nail.
Yep, exactly. Bullseyes. Oh man, I have a terrible news.
Okay.
It's broke.
Oh God.
Yeah, it fucking broke this weekend. He lost. GB the one word. Thanks, man. He lost an arm. I have his arm over here. I will have to glue it back, but my fucking berserker just fell and broke.
Dude. That sucks. Where's his leg?
Fire knuckles. It's actually a superpower. It's not a bug, it's a feature, so I'm gonna fucking beat you up.
Mega Man arm cannon.
Nice.
Where's his other leg?
Here.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, and my kid was like, look, it's a leg. Like, just put a leg here instead, and they were laughing. I'm like, stop harassing it! He's suffering! Come on! Yeah, and you know who I suspect? I suspect those guys. I'm sure those guys made it. Those guys made it.
They're jealous.
You recognize those guys, right? Tell me you recognize them.
Mm-hmm. Of course I do.
Alright, shoot. Sweet. Sweet! Or maybe this one. Oh, look at that.
Yes!
I forgot his
creepy smile.
That's totally them. I'm gonna send a picture to them and say like, extra credit, what have you done? You broke my heart.
It's invisible.
Shit. Yeah! Yeah, people in the chat. Yeah! Oh, God, I love that song.
God, it's so good.
Yep. Alright, so that was it for the source program. Now you wanted me to check the wizard?
Yeah, because I have no idea what the hell could be causing it.
Okay, check it out.
Oh, by the way, I just double checked it. We might have to do some work with the APIs, making sure they can like connect properly together.
Which APIs?
The Google and iOS APIs.
Okay, I don't get it.
Well, just because they are login as well as the microtransaction stuff, whereas on web it's split up into two different types.
Oh, okay, I get what you're talking about. Ah, okay. Okay.
It should air quotes work, but only because yeah. Anyway, fucking wizards.
So if I take a time portal right now, I know you made it on your side, but not on mine.
Yep. You should be able to take the time portal for the worlds 2 through 5 wizard. Okay. If you just go through there and like
Where?
Worlds 2 through 5, those wizards should work for you. If you just like hit plus minus and just like debug, skip your way through the world, you should be able to fight.
Oh, okay, got it. But I want to preset my world. Like,
Yeah, I didn't see where you did that.
Yeah, I see that the wizard is set to 0, and I debug everything there. So why don't I see the damn thing? Oh, okay, let me see. La ba 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 ba. That was weird.
She's been making all sorts of weird noises today.
Alright, there you go. Is ready to fight wizard. Has wizard boss. Yep. Is wizard boss killed? It should not. It is not. Alright. Whoa. It has been killed.
Three kilograms of rockets. Dude, I just learned that those are your Smarties.
The hell happened?
I actually removed, on my side, the wizard battle set to 0, and it worked.
What?
Yep. No clue why.
Those things here. The sets value to 0 here.
Mm-hmm.
So I remove that and it's gonna work?
It should.
That's bad right there.
It's pretty bad.
Anyone else? I can Grunto. Anyone here knows how to stream under the game development community? It's in the dashboard. You have to select it there, in the dashboard somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Good.
That's right.
Yeah, shows Quasi told me to do that earlier. All right, so use time portal. Yep, please do so. Okay.
I just changed mine so that I under game development.
Why the hell is it set to 1? Did
I change anything else? I don't think I changed anything else. I also did the meta achievement debug unlock all. I also got rid of that, I think.
Meta unlock all? Ah, okay. Ah, yeah.
Yeah, the
Makes
debug
sense.
achievement down there.
Where is it?
The very bottom.
Unlock all sets of skills? No. Here? Okay. Yeah, that's probably why. Well, that has to be it. Yeah. Because it's gonna be set that value to 0. To
Yep.
1. Alright, got it.
The wizard fights are all going to be like unlocked by default. Actually, setting the wizard fights to something. Let me see if that works.
What the hell is Canadian Smarties? We do have Smarties. It's the same thing.
You guys have Smarties?
Yeah, we have Smarties. We have Smarties, we have M&Ms, and we have Rockets.
Yeah, I don't think we have rockets.
Ha! I don't know. I don't know why I take pride of that.
I love that.
Take that!
But are your Smarties the same thing as our Smarties?
Well, yeah. The colored one that tastes like chocolates.
That tastes like chocolate?
Yeah, Smarties.
No, the Smarties here are those little chalky flavored candies. So they're
Chocolate?
not the same.
Okay, so it is like Rocket then.
Yeah, your rockets are Smarties.
Whoa. Hang on. Smarties. I mean, fucking Smarties. That's a Smarties.
Nah,
What the hell are you saying? I literally
Nope.
just Google Smarties and that's the first thing that happens.
you're wrong.
I'm in Canada, is that? Fuck! No! What's true anymore? I don't know what's true anymore. Everything was my lie. It was a lie. What?
Yeah, Larkland.
So, you
don't-
have your own U.S. Smarties?
Yep,
Fuck you.
those are Smarties.
No, those are rockets. Shut up. Shut up. Wow, look at that. Okay,
Yeah,
so
that's
Okay,
so weird.
Rockets and scat. And what is that for you then?
We don't have those.
You just don't have those. I saw a movie with that in it.
Yeah, I don't know, man. We just, like Larkland was saying, we just don't have your Smarties.
Poor you. Poor you. You guys are missing on Smarties. So you just
Canadian Google.
yeah, I got Canadian Google, eh? It's like, so I have to just like, what up with Smarties, eh? What up with Smarties, eh? I just Googled what about Smarties, eh? It was like an American Guide to Canada.
Dude, I don't think you could have planned that.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's the first thing that happened. What about Smarties, eh? An American's Guide to Canada.
I love it.
Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, well, I learned something today. The
Oh
more
my
we
god, I
know.
love it.
The more we know. Okay, oh shit. Am I on debug? Oh yeah, I am on debug.
For in-game. There's gotta be something.
Yay. Yay. Bon, ok. Go to Wizard.
I think it might be the transition. Simple game scene dot pause.
It's the decode, man. The decode is taking forever. Because we do a deep clone dictionary and we do a decode. And the thing is, we might be onto something, man. Because I have another problem where sometimes the freaking games crash on iOS. But it's actually just running into a infinite loop.
Oh shit!
So,
did I fuck up with the deep clone dictionary?
And I believe that's related to what? No. I believe it's related to save the crashing thing.
Yeah, the deep clone dictionary is actually recursive.
Do you what?
I don't know of a way to not make it recursive though. But if it's the decode, I don't know.
Okay, so first there's the deep clone dictionary. Okay, let's separate that in several things. So we're gonna get that encode dict. Encode dict. So I'm gonna take this, put that there, voila. And
Why
put that there.
do we?
I don't think we actually need.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering too.
Deep clone that shit. Yes, we do.
Why do we do this?
Because sometimes if you encode, like for example here, we just pass the save data, but I'm not creating a new save data. It's the same one. So.
But why do we need to do that at all?
Because I wanted the player. Well, actually, we could remove it. Because I wanted. Yeah, I made so the game is come on. Okay, the orbs is given, the game is cleared already, and the game saves. But then I reverted back to where it was so we can fight the wizard. The reason I did that is if you hit F5, it's gonna count as if you lost the fight. You know, so I didn't want the player. What I wanted is I didn't want the player to just go into 5 minutes into the like 5 seconds after. 5 seconds before the wizard dies or you die, you just hit refresh and you redo that. But I don't care anymore. If it's to bug the rest of the game, I'm gonna remove that because anyway, you can just restart a little later. There's no point in doing that. So yeah.
What we could do is
I do it. Yeah. Sorry, what?
What we could do is try to time warp and then fight the wizard. So we reset all the map and everything. And then we give you your orbs, actually, before we do this. And then you fight the wizard. And you actually get a little stronger when you fight the wizard because you have all the orbs. And then win or lose, the wizard drops you back into the main world because we can reset the map without a problem.
The thing is, I do something that calls try to time warp, and that's where I do all this shit, and then I do the reset game in the same function.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, what I would do actually is very simple. It's just remove all that shit over here. Well, I will just put the try to time warp after the wizard fight. So where it is logic deliver damage, I believe.
Yeah, I think it's when the wizard dies.
So on end wizard boss. There we go. Here. Show Terry complete, and then on the house dead. Get his boss. Probably have it somewhere in there. Yeah, his wizard. Okay, so I add one black orb here. So I will do this, and then I will do the time warp thing.
Yep.
Over there. Or when you die, also. If you die against the wizard, it's just gonna revert. Because if you apply this before the fight, you will be with only Bob at level 1. So
yeah, exactly, which is a problem.
Yeah.
Which was happening for a while. People thought that was intentional.
But before doing all this, though, I want to see what's up with this. Because we might be on something.
With the encode and decode?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's the deep clone dictionary. I think doing it recursively is really expensive.
The decode was even more expensive.
The decode was?
Yeah. From what I saw, the decode was more expensive.
That's really strange.
I do agree that the deep clone it has to.
Yeah, but, there's no way to not do it like that.
Yep. Alright, look at that. So okay, the encode is instant. Deep clone is almost instant as well.
Oh. Okay then, that's super.
And then decode. Yeah, decode took like 5 seconds.
Alright, then what is taking so goddamn long?
I do.
Oh! Son of a bitch.
What?
Refresh all base DPS. That happens in the decode. I guarantee you. Try it one time, but comment that line out.
Yeah. That made loads of sense. Is that the only place where we do the decode, though?
Where we do the decode?
Okay, local servers. Portal panel. No, okay, so that's only where. Okay. But yeah, I totally agree.
Unfortunately, I think we have to, because otherwise then we have to make sure that we refresh base DPS.
Yeah, you're right.
Wherever, you know.
Hang on. So before doing assumptions, I'm just gonna check it out.
And actually, people have been telling me, Zemfel, I remember on my stream, was telling me that sometimes when he loads his game, not all the bonuses are loaded until he, like, does something. I think it's either by his level of a monster.
I had that on my side as well. Like it happened. I don't know when. It was like, why don't I give any? Why don't I kill anybody? And then bam, it started working. So every time I'm like, okay, but it's not breaking anything. So
yeah, I don't know.
Oh, the map. Meta map progress is the culprit.
Meta map progress is the culprit?
Yep. Probably because there's a shit ton of map spot now. And refresh all base DPS, as you said.
Yep.
But yeah, meta map progress, probably because there's a shit ton of stuff in there.
Yeah, there's a lot of entries. We can probably... There's probably something in there that we can tweak to make it a lot faster. Let me look at it real quick. So we go through all map spots. Oh, get map spot of highest boss killed on map. And that also goes through all map spots. But no, that should be... No, those both should be really quick. Meta chest items should be much more expensive than map spots.
So each map spot is quite... There's 157 map spot though.
Jesus. Okay, never mind.
There's that.
And meta area group.
And yeah, this is what's taking... this is what's taking time. Well, you know, what we could do is just stop, open this, and probably can open the profile one. Isn't there a profile one? Profile, there we go. What's up, cheeks? Please go back and reread all the name for Just Chips and Beats. Okay, just beats and beans and nice. Just cheese and feet. Just chirps and tweets. Just Smarties and biscuits. Just grapes and beets. Just plates of sweets. That's my favorite.
I like chirps and tweets.
Yep. I haven't been able to do the people level up bug to work any longer, assuming you guys fixed it. Yes, we did. Hang on. I haven't been able to do the people level up bug to work any longer. I'm assuming, okay, people level up bug. I don't know what you're referring to, but if you're not able to reproduce it anymore, I believe that Kojak made the magic wand. Have you seen take 5 bar or max 5 bar? I don't know. No, I didn't saw that. Didn't see that.
I assume there's just like a shit ton of candy that we don't have that you do and that you have that we don't.
But
probably.
I can't get over the fact that Smarties is not smart. It's impossible!
Oh, I love it. Oh god, what the fuck?
What?
I just saw on your screen, like, the title screen was all fucked up.
Oh, no, it's only, it's only a debug thing. Save.
How many sides does Carl have?
Whoa,
Did they talk about Reddit yet?
Look at that. Okay.
What about Reddit, my friend?
Save to local takes a shit ton of time. But that's a deactivate though. Is that it? Yeah. Look at that, man. Save to local takes a shit ton of time.
Good God.
Apparently, but what about here then?
Why do I save to local takes so long?
So I do a refresh here. I don't see it, man.
See what?
Reset game from time warp. I see it right over there. Hang on. There we go. I don't see like a big, massive problem in decode or something. I'm in the scout right now. I don't know if you see my screen, but I'm in scout.
I do, but I can't like read anything.
Okay. Yeah, I see. Try to time warp.
Doesn't look like it's using up fucking any time at all, though.
What the hell is happening?
Also, what's weird, it seemed like it took longer the higher the level the boss was.
Probably because you cleared more maps.
Maybe?
Yeah, I believe that's the thing.
I don't know.
Anyway, my fix will be to get rid of the decode thing, because that's definitely in there. That's definitely a problem. That'll be like one fix, although I don't get why. Okay, let me see. Actually, aha!
We could honestly just get rid of...
I'm just loading my game on iOS, and I got like everything cleared and everything. So I just made that, and I'm gonna go there. Boop. Okay. Look at that. Decode! So decode takes a shit ton of time. Refresh base is there. Decode map progress. Okay, I have it. Yeah, because we're making a shit ton of houses in there. But not that much, though. It seems that I create meta houses before everything. Yep. Anyway, I think at that point, Kojak, I'm gonna leave you check on it. There's a fix for the wizard thing. At least there's the decode thing.
Yep.
That you just get rid of the decode thing and make it revert after the boss. So that'll be that. And if you want to check out into the decode problem, that's another problem. But there's something weird. Because when I start the game on my iOS, it goes super fast, you know? When I get it and I decode, it goes super fast. It's almost instant. It's like twice faster as a non-stop night, for example. So that's pretty good. But if we reuse the decode afterwards, for example, in the debug, if you just go Control-Enter like this, Kojak, you see my screen, by the way?
I see it.
Alright, hang on. That's normal, by the way.
And then you do the admin load game, right?
Exactly. So if I go like this and go there, there's a huge ass delay there, you know?
Yeah, it takes 1,000 years.
Yeah, so you can always just scout that, check it out with scout and see what's up with that. So, but that's optional, you know? If you fix the wizard thing first, that'll be it.
Yeah, fixing the wizard is probably the easiest thing to do.
Yep. Yep. Alright, so I'm gonna close Zombidle though. I have to go back to GSB. Yeah.
Sure, man.
Yep. I'll do a little giveaway though, since it's like 1 hour. And yeah. You want to stick around, or you want to get out and focus, or
Well, I mean, that entirely depends on if you need to focus.
Actually, yeah.
Like, I have no issues with hanging out, but I feel like I might distract you.
Yeah, well, actually, like, it's been an hour already, and I was this close to just not stream at all today, so I think I'm just gonna go and, I don't know, maybe there's some Reddit thing we can check it out? Like, I'm just gonna continue on Zombidle, and then I'm gonna close the stream and have more time on Just Ships and Beats. Because there's one thing, like, there's a lot of people coming here on the stream coming from Zombidle, so I feel, not bad, but I feel, if I show up Just Ships and Beats instead, there's a lot of people who will be like, what the fuck is that game, you know? But,
yeah.
I can at least show what I'm working on, though.
Okay, I just went ahead and updated the bug tracker for the wizard bug. So hopefully that can be fixed.
Okay, nice.
Very soon.
Holy shit! That's a bad
As far as
Friday.
Reddit stuff goes, let me take a look.
I'm gonna let you take a look. I'll do a giveaway. Meanwhile, alright?
Sure.
Let's do that. Let's do this. Add viewers, boom, like this. Voila, 114 people. Damn. Yeah, the ice shield giveaway. Let's go. Shadowheart! Shadowheart! 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 Shadowheart 1 2 1 2. Please show yourself in the chat, my friend. You have 50 seconds to show yourself now. Send us a hard chest, please, and the ardor. It's because of the pop-up in Zombidle. It shows when you are streaming, so yeah, there you go, Jonta. Exactly. So exactly, it's still a little bit, if I do something else than Zombidle, there's a lot of people just quit after that, you know? So, I'm actually might just,
Oh man.
Alright, so guys, if you want something, just say anything. Your name will appear in there. And I'll do the giveaway in like 30, 45, 1 second, whatever. I'll do it in a minute or two. Just say anything if you want to be part of the giveaway over there. The winner will get a little ice shield. For those who wonder what the hell is the ice shield, where we have a little game here called Stream RPG. And the Stream RPG allows you guys to get to level up and get powerful chests like this, for example. And then with that chest you can open it up and then collect experience points like this. With the experience point you can get new pieces of equipment and have your face on the show directly. Let me show you. So if I go latch, not latch, what the hell, shout, you suck, latch. It's gonna appear right over there. Boop. You suck, Lightcha. So yeah, if you want to tell me that I suck, you can totally do it. Woo! There, like this. And today, what we are giving away is this thing over there, the little ice shield. Penis. It's been a while, hasn't it? Penis. Penis. Lord, then look at that. Those beautiful mustache. Those marvelous Mustache. Already 40 people in. Yeah. How about Reddit, by the way?
I've actually been looking. There's not a whole lot of like stuff that we need to really address on Reddit. People are talking about the Carl's toenails not working, which makes sense. What is this? Craft boost item ready bug. No, a lot of it is just like simple little questions and stuff. There was an issue with farm mode, but it's just, you know, they don't have access to the farm mode button and didn't know that it was an option in the options menu.
Okay.
So I think the quick options, we need to move it so that it's like once you unlock it, it's always available like right at the end of the monster list.
Super hexagon.
Sorry, what? I didn't get that one.
We just need to make it so that the farm mode option, or not the farm mode option, but the quick options with farm mode button, once you unlock it, always appears at the end of your monster list.
Oh, okay. Because what is it concerned, though?
Because he turned on farm mode, used a time portal, and then farm mode was stuck on, and he didn't know you can...
Okay, got it.
I get that at least once a week.
Okay, well, if it's a... Yeah, because on mobile there's a click that you can do, like an invisible click or something, but when you're tapping the screen, sometimes there's like one click that goes on bottom right for zero reason.
What?
Yeah, like there's one click that registers, and that often just activate that happens super often, by the way, but I don't know how to fix that. Let me show you.
This is the first time I'm hearing of it.
Oh yeah, okay. Like that happens all the time for me. Like if I go like this, all right, there's gonna be like one click over there sometimes when I click on this side, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it if I click now live. Oh fuck. No, I don't want to watch myself live. Thank you, game. And I just found another bug actually. So whenever I click on this, sometime it registers a click on the disable thing on the right. Let me actually put like this a bit.
That is so weird.
Yeah, I have no clue. Well, it
420
works.
cards. Blaze it.
Well, I can guarantee you that it works like a lot. I don't know if it's when I tap a lot or something, but like what I do is actually just put like this, so it's gonna register one on Carl instead, and yeah. Will it work live? Will I be able to reproduce the bug live? It happened very often, except when I want to. Of
course,
show
yeah,
it.
exactly. It's never gonna happen now.
Activate all skills. Oh shit! I went to do it again. Boo! All right.
You need to check out what Zero Staz just posted.
Okay.
Because it is amazing.
Anyway, you get the idea.
I do.
Zero Stars just posted something? Hang on.
Mm-hmm. I know, right?
Nice. Like when he was a kid. I would actually put it like with a smile and a lollipop or something. Like how he was super happy when he was a kid. But then he got bullied or something. I like it though. That's beautiful. Bob Child. Thanks a lot for sending those, man.
I'm not sure if it would be better to have him just be super pissed off or to have him be like a super happy-go-lucky kid.
Yeah, I know, right? I don't know if it would be better. It would be so fun if we can inject a backstory, like a very deep backstory on that guy.
Dude, I know, right? Lurklin, you posted somebody talking about not getting updates on Amazon. Yes, I have to push the build to Amazon and then go through like a whole approval process on there.
It's stupid over there. We don't understand. Like it asks us like 3 or 4 times. Hey, do you want to submit? And then we said like, yeah, we want to submit. Freaking push the button. And then they go like, yeah, go ahead.
Oh my god, dude, that's fucking crazy.
I'm kind of in the middle of something.
The stream is like 60 frames per second.
Yeah.
But Skype is not.
Huh?
Yeah, so not only, despite the fact that you've added me as an admin on the project on Amazon, I cannot authorize the new build. You have to do
Hey!
that.
I passed Super Hexagon while I'm talking with you.
Hey, you just need to. Oh god, I love One Punch Man so much.
No, not One Punch Man, like Super Hexagon.
No, I know, but Larklin just posted One
Okay,
Punch Man.
Sorry.
But yeah, like I not only, despite the fact that I'm an admin, do you have to do all the buttons and stuff?
Yeah.
I distracted you.
It's all your fault. You're fired.
Yes. But then after we do, you have to submit it twice.
Yeah.
And then we have to wait for it to be submitted, and then you have to submit it for review, wait for them to review it, and then you have to submit it again and wait for it to hit the store.
Yeah, it's stupid.
And it's all one button.
Speaking of one button, how about I hit the start animation right now? You love my segue, right? I love my segues.
Perfect.
It's Ice Shield, the giveaway. Who's gonna win? I wish we had a better way to reward people with diamonds. No, not Moobot! Moobot
Yes.
has won! Moobot has won! So guys, what happened when Moobot win? We do 2 giveaways. So it's your lucky day, guys, and Moobot has won. He's here. Moobot! And the chat is like, Moobot! Nice. Alright, well, you know, it is the rules. Moobot won. We do 2 animations.
Without rules, we are nothing.
Hell's Bliss! Nice!
Oh, nice, man.
Winner. Congratulations, my friend. You have 50 seconds to show yourself in the chat, otherwise the monster. Nom, 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 nom. Well, you just said something. So. Nice. You said something just before I launched the animation. A winner is you, my friend. A winner is you. For winning. Hang on, the ice shield. The ice shield. Whoop whoop. What was the thing that we talked about, Kojak, where we could have people connect on Twitch from their mobile device, and then we can reward them, right? There was something we could do from that. Oh, they had to, like, if we add a button, they go to the document and fill out the forms already. Is that it?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, that would be the easiest way. Because I feel like we could do some giveaways like that more often, since there's a lot of people who come from Zombidle. We could do that, but at the same time, I want to spend times on that. Sorry. You're awesome! Sorry it's not much, but I hope it helps. Loving Zombidle, I can't wait to play your games on console. So much! Thank you very much, anonymous donator. Thank you so much. I can't wait to show you my console game. It is so like this morning. I don't know if I send the tweets. I'll do it anyway. This morning I was working on some animations and I started laughing out loud alone. I had that moment of like, just enjoying the craft of making games, which I thought I lost after a while. Because it's been like 2 years I'm working on Just Ships and Beats, and it is a job. It is a job. Like I work on, I have to manage a team, I have to manage budget, I have to manage a lot of shit that surrounds the game development. So after a while, I was like, I don't have that spark that I had working on games anymore. But this morning I was like, no, I was on fire. I was like, this is so fucking stupid. And I've been able to rediscover that emotions in the past week. So I can't wait to show you what's in there, guys. I'm in love with my own games, so with my own games. So I hope you guys like it as well.
Dude, not gonna lie, when I worked on multiplayer, the game over screen that you did actually fucking gave me chills.
Nice. I forgot that you saw that.
Yep.
Nice. Oh man, there's so much.
It's so good.
Thank you, man. I just fucking can't wait. So much, and it's finally taking form. Like we know the beginning, the middle, the end, and we're just making them right now. I'm making all the storyboard, so I'm working on the storyboard while Emily's making that look awesome, because I can't do that. And at the same time, there's some new levels pumping out. So, and we have another coder who integrate that at the same time, you know. So, it's taking form. And how about shut up and make another giveaway? Zombidle! Spear Tea! Spear Tea is our winner! Congratulations, my friend. Please show yourself in the chat right now. You have 50 seconds to show yourself in the chat, otherwise you will lose. Monster will eat you.
Monster.
Monster nummy num num. That's Smoke. Smoke named it that way.
Actually, I'll wait until the giveaway's done.
Come on, Spear Tea! Where are you, Spear Tea? Four, three,
Oh, no.
2, 1. Falling in my face once again. Alright, let's spin that shit again. Mind if I play Super Hexagon at the same time? I'm sick of waiting.
This is an intervention. You have a problem.
And Tasty! Tasty Graph is our winner. Congratulations, my friend. No, it's not. Whoa, shut up. It's not here. Well, he hasn't showed itself. Just I wanted to do Alt Enter, but it spawned the thing. I tried to cheat, that's why. Tasty Graph, come on. Tasty Graph. Tasty Graph. Tasty Graph. Spear Tea. Spear Tea is here.
Yes.
Tasty Graph, congratulations, my friend. And I think I forgot to, yeah, I didn't even give it to Hell's Bliss, actually. What a host. Sorry, Hell's Bliss, I didn't even give you the ice shield. There we go. And we also have Tasty Graph. Boing. Tasty Graph as well. Boing. Voila. I just got it now. Sweet. You should get it now. Spirit Tea, my friend, you had 60 seconds to show yourself, but you missed it. Where were you? Where were you, Spirit Tea? Where were you? I don't want to be the asshole.
You can always just give him like a bunch of experience.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, Spirit Tea, because you're here. And I like you.
You're a good
You
dude.
awesome. I'm gonna give you 25 XP. All right, there you go. You got it. 25 XP. All right, it's 3:30 already. Look at that, so sexy. You got. There's a little glitch on the. A little glitch on the thing.
Oh god damn it! With the shirt, fuck.
Yeah, like it has several body
I kept
parts.
forgetting that. Every time.
Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna say goodbye. Actually, I think I'm gonna say goodbye. I really have to work on that, and also my Skype is flashing orange, so there's a lot of people asking that. One piece missing for lovely Killentine's Day dress. Killentine's, I like it. Yeah, next week will be another Killentine dude, actually. Alright, I'll put the outro. Go, Jack. If you want me more, I can call you afterwards, but I'm hung up right now.
Sounds good, man.
Sweet. So if you have anything else you want to talk on Zombidle, let me know.
Honestly, not really. Like, we got to everything.
Yeah! Push it! Let's push it!
Yeah,
Push it
done.
live.
All right.
Ah! Diamond Con, Egg and Cheat. Thank you guys for creating epic content. Glad to be a part of an awesome community. Here's some money! Man, 50 bucks? Okay, well actually no, it's not time to get out. It's actually time for another giveaway.
Actually, I
Yep.
am gonna take off. I have.
Sure.
I'm leaving you. You're in this alone. But no, Etienne wanted to talk to me as well.
Sure. All right. So I'll do that giveaway now. It's 100 XP.
You can also just give it to
100
everybody. 100 XP to everybody watching.
No.
Which would be really mean.
All right, I'll spend that. See you later, man. Train.
Take care, dude.
See ya.
Have a good.
Whoops, I just cut it. Whoopsie, I'm fired. Alright, so I'm gonna do the giveaway right now. Thank you very much, man. Cheek. That's a lot of money, man. Again, the money goes back into my tools or the Stream RPG. Basically, Stream RPG now. Every money I got here goes there. Yo, Kata, what's up? What's up with Zombidle? Goodness, my friend, you just won. And you know what? I'm gonna give you immunity. Boom. I'm gonna give you immunity for it, so you get the 100 experience point. Because I really have to go. So I'm sorry, and to make up for the possible the possible experience point, possible reroll, I'm gonna give this to everybody as well. Hang on. Et voila. A little 25, 25 experience points for everybody watching as well. Thanks for the donator. Thanks for being on the show, guys. That's a little token of gratitude just for you. Alright, so I'm gonna switch to the outro. Boom. Feel good to be streaming again. Although I did like 0 Just Shapes and Beats, and that's a little bit why I'm closing right now, guys. There we go. I got it. So stick around if you want to punch Quasi in the face, guys. I'm gonna punch Quasi in the face in a moment. Yeah, please don't forget to follow the channel. Let's do it.
Do it!
Follow the channel.
Just
Do it! If you want to stay notified. And also, guys, I love you all. You guys are the best. Especially you. Bye.